In this question, an incomplete organic reaction is given. We have to find out the major product P in this reaction. And the reaction is 1,2-dicyclohexyl ethene is treating with potassium permanganate in acidic medium. So potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent. So the reaction will be oxidation reaction. Now we can see the complete reaction as given here. So the product is cyclohexanoic acid. That is, the double bond will undergo oxidation to produce the carboxylic group. So the major product is cyclohexanoic acid. Now let's come to the options given here. The first option is a diol or an alcohol. This is not the possible product in this reaction. The second one is not also possible, and the third one is an aldehyde which cannot be produced by this method. And the last one is cyclohexanoic acid. This is the major product of the reaction. So the correct answer is option D.